Hello students, welcome in our English lecture. Today we are going to learn from unit number 7.2 poem Dad and the Cat and the Tree. So this poem is written by the Kit Wright. So students, first of all we will take the introduction about this author or poet, and then we will turn towards the explanation of the poem. Poet and children's author Kit Wright was born in the 1944 and educated at the Oxford University. He lectured in the Canada before working as education officer at the Poetry Society in London 1970 to 75, and was fellow commoner in creative art at the Cambridge University from 1977 to 9. He was awarded an Arts Council Writers Award in the 1985. Kit Wright, born on the 17 June 1944 in the Crookham Hill, Kent, is the author of the more than 25 books for both adults and the children, and the winner of awards including an Arts Council Writers Award, Geoffrey Faber Memorial Prize, the Hawthorne Prize, the Alice Hunt Bartlett Prize, and the Heinemann Award. After a scholarship to Oxford University, he worked as a lecturer at the Brock University, St. Catharines in the Canada. Then they returned to the England and a position in the Poetry Society. He is currently a full-time writer. So students, author is written those books. Now we will turn towards the animated story of this poem. So we will see that, and then we will turn towards the explanation of this poem, Dad and the Cat and the Tree, which is written by the Kit Wright. So what happened actually in this poem, that we are going to see now. This is a funny poem about a man's attempt to rescue a cat that is stuck on the tree. यहाँ पे एक ऐसी स्टोरी है कि जो पेड़ पर अटकी हुई बिल्ली है, उसे बचाने के लिए डैड क्या करते हैं, प्लान्स बनाते हैं. So what happened that really these plans were successful? One day a cat climbed a tree in a child's garden and couldn't come down. एक दिन एक बिल्ली उस पेड़ पर चढ़ गई और वहाँ पर चढ़ने के बाद वो नीचे ही नहीं आ रही थी. अब नीचे नहीं आ रही थी, इसलिए वहाँ पर क्या गए, पापा चढ़ गए. द चाइल्ड्स फादर कंसिडर्ड हिमसेल्फ टू बी एन एक्सपर्ट क्लाइंबर. पापा खुद को बहुत एक्सपर्ट क्लाइंबर समझते थे, तो उन्होंने क्या किया, उस पर चढ़ने के लिए जिद की. एंड ऑफर्ड टू रेस्क्यू द कैट. उन्होंने सोचा कि हम क्या करेंगे, इस कैट को रेस्क्यू करेंगे, उसे वहाँ से निकालेंगे. द चाइल्ड्स मदर वॉज वरीड हर हस्बैंड वुड फॉल ऑफ वाइल क्लाइंबिंग द ट्रीज. अब मम्मी को लग रहा था कि पापा नीचे ऊपर चढ़ेंगे तो नीचे गिरने के चांसेस बहुत है, तो वो वहाँ पे ना चढ़े, ऐसे मम्मी का मानना था. बट द चाइल्ड्स फादर ट्राइड क्लाइंबिंग अप द लैडर. उन्होंने पहले वहाँ पे लैडर ली और लैडर के साथ उन्होंने क्या किया, ये शुरू किया। बट द लैडर स्लिप्ड एंड फेल इनटू द फ्लावर बेड। वो जो लैडर है वो नीचे गिर गई और फूलों की जो बेड थी उस पर पापा नीचे गिर गए। बट he didn't give up and assured his wife। अब फिर से मम्मी बहुत घबरा गई थी। मम्मी को पता था कि फिर से उनका सेकंड जो प्लान है वो भी खराब हो सकता है। सो ही वुड सक्सेसफुली क्लाइम द ट्री यूजिंग द प्लान बी। इट्स टाइम फॉर प्लान बी, said the father। He jumped onto a branch, but the branch broke and he fell again। कोइंसिडेंट देखो, जैसे ही वो उस ब्रांच पर चढ़ गए वो ब्रांच जो है वो टूट कर क्या हो गई, नीचे आ गई और पापा भी उसके साथ गिर गए। He got up and dusted himself off and decided to use the plan C। अब 2 प्लान फेल होने के बाद फिर से पापा ने कहा इट्स टाइम फॉर प्लान सी। सो विच प्लान सी ही दे यूज्ड? He climbed onto the garden wall and jumped onto a fork in the tree trunk। अब पापा ने गार्डन की जो वॉल थी उस पर चढ़ गए और वहाँ से सीधी छलांग लगाई। वो जो छलांग थी वो उन्होंने उस ट्री पर लगाई। नाउ व्हाट हैपन दैट ही लैंडेड ऑन द कैट। डायरेक्टली पापा क्या हो गए, कैट के ऊपर ही गिर गए। द कैट yelped and jumped on the ground। अब वहाँ से कैट जो है वो नीचे आ चुका था आसानी से। उसने एक चीख मारी और वो नीचे आ गया। लेकिन बाद में क्या हुआ, द कैट केम डाउन बट द चाइल्ड्स फादर was stuck on the tree। लेकिन पापा क्या हो गए, उस पेड़ पर पूरी तरह से अटक गए। सो now students, we see that animated story। Now we will turn towards the stanza wise explanation। One morning a cat got stuck in the tree। The narrator's dad decided that he will easily be able to take care of the narrator's father decided to climb the trees। His wife warned him that he might fall, but ignoring her warnings, he climbed the ladder, slipped and fell down। Having fallen once, he thought of trying again another way। अब एक बार गिरने के बाद पापा ने क्या किया हुआ था कि दूसरी बार भी अपना प्लान बनाया और वहाँ पर चढ़ने लगे। Yet again ignoring his wife's warnings, he swung himself up to on a branch। The branch broke again and he fell down। Not giving up still, the father climbed up the garden wall। Luckily this time he did not fall। However, the moment he sprang onto the tree, the cat jumped to the ground safe and sound। The poor father, on the other hand, got stuck in the tree। Means students, here we see the summary of this poem। Now we will see the stanza wise explanation। This morning a cat got stuck in our tree। Dad said, right, just leave me it out। So these above lines have been taken from the Kit Wright's poem Dad and the Cat and the Tree। So the narrator's father takes the responsibility to dealing with the cat, and his father told him that will manage to drive away the cat। The tree was wobbly, the tree was tall। Mom said, for goodness sake don't fall। So since the tree was unstable, the narrator's mother was full of doubts as to how easy would be able for her husband to climb the tree। Therefore she warned him that he might fall. अब मम्मी ने बताया था कि ये जो पेड़ है वो स्टेबल नहीं है, आप उस पर नहीं चढ़ सकेंगे। फिर भी उन्होंने उनकी बात बिल्कुल भी नहीं मानी थी और वो पेड़ पर चढ़े हुए थे। Fall, scoffed Dad. A climbers like me, child's play. This is. You wait and see. So, listening to his wife's warning, the narrator's father was quite surprised. He dismissed away these warnings by saying that he was a good climber and climbing tree was not too. He got up the ladder from the garden shade. He slipped, landed in the flower bed. So, the poet highlights how the narrator's mother fears prove to be true. So, the narrator's father brings out a ladder from the garden shade, but he slipped and father fell on the ground. जैसे मम्मी ने बताया हुआ था कि ये पेड़ क्या नहीं है, स्टेबल नहीं है, आप उस पर मत चढ़ो, लेकिन पापा ने उनकी बात बिल्कुल भी नहीं मानी थी। Never mind, said the dad and dirt off his hair and his fence and his trousers and shirts. The poet describes the father gathering back his energy, and the narrator's father brushes off the dirt from his hair and clothes and cleans his face and began to think about another plan to dry away the cat. अब गिरने के बाद फिर से उन्होंने दूसरा प्लान किया। We'll try plan B, stand out the way. Mom said, don't fall again, okay? So, the poet shows that how the mother seems to be dissatisfied with the plan B as well, and the narrator's father decided to try plan B. His wife, however, again warns him that he might fall again. मतलब मम्मी यहाँ पे फिर से उन्हें बता रही थी कि आप बी प्लान ट्राई मत करो, आप गिर सकते हैं। Fall again, said the dad. Funny joke. Then he swung himself up on a branch. It broke. So, this poet showcases on the narrator's father's again, dismisses his wife's, and still laughing he swung himself on the branch, but the branch broke and he again fell on the ground. Dad landed wallop back on the deck. Mom said, stop it, you will break your neck. So the poet retreats the narrator's mother's invention that the narrator's father again fell on the ground. The narrator's mother begged him to stop, he might break his neck falling again and again. Rubbish, said the dad. Now we will try plan C, easy as winking to climbers like me. So the poet highlights how the narrator's father refuses to give up. The narrator's father then decided to try C, and he was still confident that being a great climber he would succeed. So again he started the plan C. Then he climbed up high on the garden wall. Guess what? He did fall. So the poet shows the father trying yet another plan. The narrator's father climbed up the high garden wall and this time he did not fall. अब इस बार वो नीचे नहीं गिरे हुए थे, जहाँ पर वो वॉल पर चढ़े हुए थे वहाँ से उन्होंने एक बड़ी छलांग लगाई और वो छलांग लगाते हुए वो उस पेड़ पर पहुँचे। He gave a great leap and then landed flat in the crook of the tree trunk right on the cat. So the poet describes that finally the narrator's father succeeds. The father with a great leap finally landed on the top tree and right on the cat. The cat gave a yell and sprang to the ground, pleased as a punch to be safe and sound. So the poet humorously ends the poem. The moment the father landed on the cat screamed with the fear and sprang to the ground. Leading smoothly on the ground, he seemed content with himself. So it's smiling and smirking, smug as can be, but poor old dad still stuck up the tree. So the poet describes the father's poor state. The narrator describes that having safely landed on the ground and the cat was smiling arrogantly while his father got stuck on the tree. So I hope students you enjoyed this humorous poem. Thank you.